Hello everyone, welcome to experiment number 31. So we're on the third to the end, so there's 3 to go including this one. And the colours I have left mixed up that I ideally would like to use by the end of these experiments is the Hobbycraft Pale Pink, Prussian Blue, the Alizarin Crimson, the Diner Green Blue, I think this is. Yeah, that's the green blue. That looks more green to me. So the Diner Green Blue, the blah 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 emerald colour, vivid pink, primary yellow, lemon yellow, silver, oriental violet, and in a really dirty inside pot you've just got purple. The Hobbycraft purple, that is. So they're the colours that we're going to be picking from. It's still random. I've still got all the names in all the numbers and whatever associations I need for them in the cups, and we're just gonna go from there. So the shape today is going to be a square. So I've got a square here, so this is just one I obviously did a failed painting on before. How exciting, because I did a heart yesterday. So the technique is going to be a puddle pour. So my puddle pours haven't been great, although the last 2 I've done have been alright. Well, at least everyone else thinks they've been alright. I haven't necessarily been a massive fan of them, but a lot of people have taken a liking to them, which is nice, I suppose. They're obviously not as bad as I think they are, so that's good. And then the colours I'm going to do are number 42, which is that blah 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 emerald colour. Number 48, which is the primary yellow, so that's a nice contrast already. And the final colour is going to be number 351, which is silver. So I think that's a very nice combination. Not that you can really tell because I can't bother to get the paints out. But I think that's got some good contrast going on there. So I think a puddle pour will work well. So I think what I've learned from these experiments is that puddle pours work really well with like really contrasting colours, I think. But I'm not sure. I could be completely wrong. Maybe they look more aesthetically pleasing if all the colours are quite complementary. It'd be like relaxing, wouldn't it? I'd like to have them as like complete circles, like actual circles rather than like weird shaped blobs. So maybe, because I've tilted the last few to get it all over the shape, maybe I'll just do like not tilt it at all and just completely cover the thing with circles. Maybe I'll do that, see what happens. It's an experiment, who cares? Let's go for it. So I don't think this one's going to actually work. It looks like it's not going to be okay. So one of the colours is like hazing already. Let me just, you see here, it's like split in and like there. A little bit up there. So it's just not, like, I've obviously added a little bit too much water to thin down. I think maybe in the yellow, because I had to thin that out quite a little bit. Because there wasn't very much of it, so I thought I'd just thin it out, make it spread further. But that obviously was a wrong call. But we'll leave it and see what happens when it dries. It might look alright, it might look pants, so we'll just go from there.